The 2026 down-to-earth 7 feet by 16 feet hydraulic dump trailer is a heavy-duty hauling solution designed for contractors, landscapers, roofers, and equipment operators. Built in the USA, this tandem axle dump trailer features a durable bumper pull design and a spacious dump bed with 48-inch high sides, making it ideal for transporting and unloading large volumes of material. Finished in a striking safety green powder-coated paint, this trailer combines rugged performance with long-lasting durability. Constructed with a heavy-duty main frame, 7-gauge one-piece steel floor, and 10-gauge steel sidewalls, this trailer is built to withstand demanding job site conditions. It rides on two 7,000-pound Dexter EZ lube leaf spring axles equipped with all-wheel electric brakes, providing a 14,000 pounds GVWR. The dual-cylinder hydraulic system delivers smooth power-up and power-down operation through a convenient remote control, while the adjustable 2 5/16 coupler, drop leg jack, safety chains, and breakaway kit ensure secure towing and operation. Additional features include rear barn-style doors with hold-back chains, a tarp kit, deep cycle marine battery, onboard battery charger, lockable storage box, heavy-duty loading ramps, stake pockets, floor-mounted D-rings, spare tire holder, radial tires on 16-inch wheels, and a complete LED lighting package. Financing and rent-to-own options are available, and nationwide delivery can be arranged. Backed by a manufacturer's warranty, this trailer is fully DOT compliant and ready to handle a wide variety of commercial and residential hauling tasks. Reach out to pricing, get more information.